Here it is, guys. This is the TETRIX Max, the Prism robotics controller. And I know you're going to be jealous when I say this, but this is the very first one shipped out. I am lucky enough to have my hands on the very first Prism sent out to the consumers, educators, and students. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what we have in store. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, obviously, get the safety tab off here. Now, I've had the luxury to play with the Prism before in its beta form before it got released, so I have not actually seen the final design that's going to be released to the public until now. And holy cow, this bad boy is sweet looking. So I don't know if you can, how good you can see that here. I'll post some links in the show notes to the website. The case that I had was a 3D printed case, and so for us to sample, but this is the final version. Etching of TETRIX. You can see the whole entire board, which I think is going to be important for kids to realize kind of how the whole circuit board looks and operates. We've got a ton of analog ports and digital ports. This is a place here to get your battery and power packs and connect to your motors. You've got your cables here. This is what's going to plug into your computer to do your Arduino coding. Obviously your jack here to get things connected. A ton of opportunities for sensor ports. And then these are your on and off switches right here. In the box, you also get this quick start manual. And you can see in here just the basics of what comes in that. And here is kind of the screenshot here. I know it's hard to read on the screen, but there's 4 digital sensor ports, 1 I2C port, 3 analog sensor ports. You've got your stop and start buttons. You have down here are your 2 continuous servo rotation ports. You've got your DC controller ports right here. This here is for your battery connection. Here are our encoder inputs. Right here are what we can encode with. We've got USB programming, expansion if we want to get a motor controller expansion port, and then we just have our 6 servo ports right in here. So this is an amazing product. What I like about the Prism is the fact that it's plug and play. What this allows us to do is pick up the learning curve rapidly. We can get servos and motors and sensors plugged into the Prism very, very quickly. It's easily accessible. You can see that it's laid out very nice, very secure and sturdy. It allows us then to get right into the coding and the programming for whether we're making something like this, just a simple little robot with wheels that move, or something more expansive. The beauty of it is you don't even have to build something this large. You can just use this and start to add wires and motors and just start to do, can you turn an LED light on and off? And there's actually LED lights right here that you can control to turn things on and off when you start it up. And I'll show that to you in some future videos. This works with Arduino coding. So this is beautiful because the amount of resources available online for Arduino is so massive that as a teacher, anything you don't know you can find, and students can push the boundaries because if they want to take things to the next level, there's someone there that's probably done it or done something close for them to learn and kind of use as a mentor and a guide. So going with the Arduino approach is simply fantastic. So here it is, the TETRIX Prism in its full flesh, full form. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. What we're going to be doing is showcasing projects and things that you can do with the Prism. We've already got a massive list of projects lined up. We're going to start small and just keep building up. So if there's things that you want to see or learn or know about with the Prism, feel free to leave a comment and let us know, and we'll make it happen. It's me and an awesome crew of students, middle school kids, making this happen. So here it is, the unboxing of the TETRIX Prism. It works with TETRIX Max kits and everything else. We're ready to jump in. I hope you'll join us, and we look forward to sharing our learning journey along with you. Until next episode, have a good one. And I know you're jealous, so start saving up and find a way to get this in your hands. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed.